Hello everyone, today we are going to find the exact value of tangent x from this expression. Now exact means the answer must be in its fully simplified form, and it usually means there shouldn't be any decimal approximation. Now firstly, think about how tangent x is related to the expression here. Now tangent x is simply sine x over cosine x. Now the idea here is to simplify this expression and work towards having a sine x and cosine x in your working. Now in this case, we shall employ the trigo addition formula to help us expand this expression. So sine x is equals to 2, open a big bracket, sine 30 degrees cosine x, and if you see a minus, do put a minus as well. So cosine 30 degrees sine x and close the bracket. Now let's try to simplify the terms over here using the trigo special angles. Now this will then give us the exact value for sine 30 and cosine 30 degrees. Sine 30 is equals to half, and cosine 30 degrees is equal to square root 3 over 2. Now let's try to multiply in 2 so that we can simplify each terms within the bracket. So doing so, we will have sine x equals to cosine x minus square root 3 sine x. Now as the saying goes, birds of the same feather, they flock together. So bring over all the sine x that you see on the right to the left hand side of the equation, and this will give us 1 plus square root 3 sine x equals to cosine x. Now I hope you are still with me over here. What we are going to do right now is to convert all these sine x into a tangent x simply by dividing cosine x on both sides of the equation. Now doing so, we will then have 1 plus square root 3 tangent x now equals to 1, because cosine x divided by cosine x gives us a value of 1. Alright, moving on, we are going to isolate tangent x by dividing 1 plus square root 3 on both sides of the equation right now, and this will give us tangent x equals to 1 over 1 plus square root 3. Now this is not enough, we need to simplify this fraction even further, and we do this by rationalizing the denominator. What we can do is to introduce the conjugate surd, which is 1 minus square root 3, multiply it to the denominator, and to make it equivalent, we are going to multiply 1 minus square root 3 to the numerator as well. Now using the difference of squares to help us simplify this expression, we will have the numerator as 1 minus square root 3 because it's multiplied by 1. And in the denominator, we have 1 squared minus square root 3 squared. Now doing so, we will then have 1 minus square root 3 over a minus 2. Now simply bring up the minus sign, which gives us square root 3 minus 1, and extract the 2 from the denominator by writing it as half in front of square root 3 minus 1. So there you have it. This is the exact value of tangent x. Now I do hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comments box below. And thank you so much for watching.